It's easy to assume that wealth and health go hand in hand, and it's true that you're probably healthier if you have more money in the bank. But while it may seem like making more money will make you healthier, accumulating too much wealth can actually be bad for your health. Here are the reasons why being rich can be bad for your health and how to avoid it. People who perceive themselves as wealthy are more likely to take risks, both with their health and financially. They are also more likely to experience anxiety and depression. And, ironically, the wealthier someone is, the less likely they are to have access to quality healthcare. So, if you're looking to improve your health, it might be time to start thinking about ways to reduce your wealth. When you have a lot of money, you can start to believe that you're better than other people. This sense of superiority can lead to all sorts of problems, both in your personal life and in your business dealings. You may find yourself making poor decisions because you think you're invincible, or you may start to take advantage of others because you feel entitled. Either way, this inflated sense of self can be detrimental to your health, both mentally and physically. Though it may seem like the life of Riley, being rich can actually lead to a life of sloth. Without having to worry about money, some people become complacent and lazy. They no longer have to work hard to earn a living, so they don't. This can lead to all sorts of health problems down the road, from obesity to heart disease. So if you're looking to live a long and healthy life, being wealthy might not be the best strategy. When you have a lot of money, you have a lot to lose, and that can lead to stress. In fact, studies have shown that wealth can actually be bad for your health. The rich are more likely to suffer from anxiety and depression, and they are also more likely to abuse drugs and alcohol. It's no secret that wealth can bring with it a lot of pressure. Whether it's the pressure to maintain a certain lifestyle, the pressure to provide for your family, or the pressure to succeed in business, being rich can be stressful, and that stress can take a toll on your health. A new study has found that there is a correlation between wealth and poor sleep quality. The study found that the wealthier people are, the more likely they are to have poor sleep quality. This is because the wealthy are more likely to have higher levels of stress and anxiety, which can lead to difficulty sleeping. The study also found that the wealthier people are, the more likely they are to have health problems, such as heart disease and obesity. So, if you're worried about your health, it might be time to start thinking about ways to reduce your stress and anxiety levels. A new study has found that being wealthy can actually shorten your life expectancy. The study, which was conducted by a team of researchers at the University of Washington, looked at data from over 1,500 individuals and found that those with higher incomes were more likely to die younger than those with lower incomes. That's all for today. Please subscribe to our channel if you would like to see more videos like this.